Previously on TWiT.
As you know, I'm all over making face masks. Alex has recommended a free program. You can take your head.
Okay, Leo, this is like going to haunt my dreams. The floating Leo mask head is really terrifying.
Tech News Weekly.
The FDA just approved the first prescription video game. Apparently, this is a first. It's for kids with ADHD.
Hands-on Wellness.
We're going to talk about one of those things in personal wellness that everybody forgets: sleep.
Security Now.
Last week's Patch Tuesday broke all printing, even to PDFs, for many users. Windows 10 users are reporting that they're unable to print to printers from several vendors after installing last week's cumulative Windows 10 patches.
Hands-on iOS.
One of the most annoying things that I have had to deal with in the past, and that I'm sure many of you have had to deal with, is our robocalls. When you turn on this feature, if the number that is calling you is not in your contacts, it will automatically silence the call and send it to voicemail.
TWiT. Why didn't I get your mass text? I'm in your contacts.